Hello beautiful people, welcome to Yard Abroad with Erica, guys. So let's go in my garden. I have a backyard garden, guys. So I'm gonna check out to see how things going. So right here, guys, I just have some potato. This is some Idaho potato I plant, and I have lettuce. So I get the lettuce from the lettuce seed. It's the seed I plant, guys. I don't even know how tall these supposed to get before you cut them, so I don't know. Over here I'm not sure what kind of, if this is a pumpkin or what it is, but this stuff that I keep, you know, guys, like when I cook the scrap from my pot, what I cook, I got them. And right here, guys, I have some tomato. So these are my tomato, and something else is in the bucket. Those are my tomato, guys. And right here my callaloo, guys. I'm getting a lot of callaloo, tomato. Right here, guys, look, my kale. I'm gonna harvest these kale soon because I don't want them to go hard. And there's my lettuce, guys. So guys, I plant a lot of stuff this year. And I have pepper. I don't know if I'm gonna get anything out of the peppers because they take a long time. It's a lot of pepper in here. I'm gonna start pull out some of them, guys, because there's too much. I'm gonna pull out some of them, so you know we can get a little more space. Yeah, I'm gonna take out some. Like these baby ones just start growing. I'm gonna pull them out. This tomato, another tomato. Guys, I feel so bad to pull out all these stuff. Another pepper. I think I'm gonna, I don't know, guys. So guys, I don't only cook, I do backyard garden. I wanna have, you know what, I'm not gonna take out all I pepper them, guys. I'm gonna just take out a few of them, so I don't have too much. I'm gonna take out the small one. I wanna be careful how I pull out. I don't wanna pull out my callaloo. So the pepper. So guys, look, I don't even know what this is. I have some more kale over here. I have, guys, I plant pop chow. Guys, I didn't know that you have to pick off the pop chow. I cut them young, and so now they grow up and seeding up. The tomato, still I have a lot of tomato tree, so I try to take out some of them and plant them, you know, guys, because I don't really want to lose all of it. And right here, guys, I have some more lettuce. I don't know how big these lettuce have to get for me to reap them, but I'm gonna find out. I go learn from Google. Over here is another pop chai. This have a lot of seed, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pick off the leaves. Guys. I'm gonna come out here one day, guys. Look at my sweet pepper. Not sweet pepper, my tomato, my sweet. This is my sweet potato. I cut off the top of the potato and I plant it, and here you go, sweet potato running like crazy. And here's another Idaho potato in the bucket. I plant everything in bucket, guys. This is my string bean. So far nothing on the tree. I have I have scallion right here. This was so nice and fluffy, but I think I'm not ready to cut. It's drying down. I don't know why it's drying down. So that's my scallion, guys. It's so strong. And here's another. I'm not sure if it's pumpkin or it's cucumber. I'm not sure what it is. So right here, guys. Oh no, guys, look, my string bean wrapping the, well, let me put something in here so to prevent this from going over there. Yeah, The string bean, guys, look at my string bean or whatever bean this is wrapping around my blueberry. So guys, right here I have 2 blueberry tree. I'm gonna have to find something, you know. Look at this, getting a lot of blueberry. Here's another Idaho potato, guys. I plant a lot of potato, string bean. So far nothing. Tomato again, string bean in buckets, all these stuff. And I have the string bean inside here, so with the pick out this. What did I plant in here? Oh, I plant okra, guys, but the okra not growing. Guys, I plant okra. Let me pull out the grass. Guys, it feels so good to pull out the trees and stuff. I don't see. So in this bucket, guys, I have some grass that we cut from the yard, and I'm using it to plant strawberries. So I just had some strawberry that wasn't good, so I just throw them inside here. And in this big bed right here is callaloo. So I just transfer some tomato, and in there, and I have my black right here. So I have some look here, guys. I get a couple beans on them, but not enough. So I'm just gonna let these beans stay on the tree, and when they think, I'm gonna put them down for next year to plant. So you see my callaloo, guys. The callaloo, them growing, but they're moving slow because we're not getting enough sun on this side of the property to for them to grow faster. So there you go, guys. Callaloo, a lot of callaloo sucker. I just hope and pray we get some rain, guys. You see my plant, I have these flowers. They said it helped to keep away insect. I hope it's true. So guys, a lot of baby callaloo sucker. So here you go, my guys. My tomato again. So I just plant some tomato. My pepper, I do a couple pepper tree. But I think I'm gonna pull out some more pepper tree, guys. Right here I have mint and tomato and thing. I think I'm gonna, oh guys, I plant okra and the okra start to grow. They're right there. Oh yeah, I get a few okra growing. The pepper. Tomorrow night, guys, I'm gonna come out here and plant some, transfer some of the pepper and the tomato, because they say it's supposed to rain. So right here, cucumber and thing, some more string bean. Guys, look at this string bean. It have a lot of blossom on it. Yeah, and it a lot of blossom, and like pull out some grass at the same time. In here, I have some more kale inside here. More kale. I have a lot of, so in this one, I pull out all these extra bush. This is a peppermint. I dig up the peppermint and plant it in here. So far, I have a lot of blossom. And the string bean. See, I have a lot of blossom, but I don't have any, I'm weeding at the same time, guys. Oh, I have a cucumber right here. No, yes, it looks like a cucumber. I'm not sure what it is. So right here, guys. I don't know some of these stuff. So another string bean and some, I think these are spinach, guys. So I'm gonna transfer these spinach tomorrow. And here, I'm waiting for the rain. Spinach over here so too. But I don't want to transfer them now. I'm gonna wait till tomorrow evening. So I transfer them tomorrow. Before the rain. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. So that's a good time to transfer them. I have a tomato tree. I already got 2 tomatoes off of it, and there are 2 more on it. Quite a few there on it. And it's, you know, on my, so see guys, I don't know, I didn't know pop chai didn't come big, so I don't know. So I didn't cut them, and now this seed. So guys, right here, callaloo growing. This is strawberry. You know guys, the strawberry, I got this strawberry, and look, all these strawberries growing. So guys, what I do when I get the strawberry and they spoil, I just carry them and throw them in the garden, and now they're growing. Guys, I don't know what's going on here, but something eating off this one. Let me pick it off, and then that's it. Yeah, see a little kale. So we're gonna get rain tomorrow. I'm picking up grass, guys, while I'm talking. I'm not sure what this is. I'm picking grass. Guys, it feels so good when you're cleaning your garden. So right here another kale. Kale over there. Guys, a lot of stuff in here to clean up. Alright, while I'm talking, guys, let me clean out these. Yes, guys, I don't like to see these extra stuff in the garden. This one I came out, the kale. I don't know what this, oh my, let me pick this off. I don't know what eating up the kale, guys. Let me pick off these with the white thing on them. I don't know what this is. But it's eating up the leaf, them guys. Eating up the leaf. Oh my goodness. See, let me pick off these. Look guys, I don't know if anybody could tell me what they think that is. Oh my lord, let me pick these off. Let me pick these off because I don't want to lose all of this. What the heck? Yes guys, I'm picking out the grass and picking off these stuff. What is this white thing, guys? Look on the leaf. I'm gonna pick all the, oh my goodness, look at this. Yeah, pick them off. This one, I'll just pick that off. Hope it grow a new leaf. I'm just picking up stuff at the same time. Guys, I see like me have another strawberry. Oh my gosh, guys, I have a strawberry right here. Let me put some soil on it. Oh my gosh, I'm crushing it. Guys, I'm holding the phone and I'm weeding at the same time. Let me get a stick and grab some soil and put on it. So this is another strawberry right there. Yeah. So I'm weeding up the garden. Guys, I can't go over there because I plant some parsley and I see other stuff growing. See, I plant some carrots. Oh, that's the carrots I plant over there, guys. I need to go over and see if I could pull them out. Yeah, the other old potato, another kale right there, mint, other old potato. So guys, look at these big strong kale. No pesticide, guys. Look at this. Just rainwater. Looking underneath to see if anything under there, because I saw some just now. Guys, if I tell you what, I thought I'm videoing and nothing wasn't videoing, because I find these bugs with a lot of eggs underneath them on the leaf. So I don't even know what that are. So this is my kale. Nice kale, guys, over there. I don't know what that is. This, I'm not sure what it is, so I'm gonna wait. So right here, guys, see my scallion. Yeah man, I have scallion. Look at these lettuce. Nice lettuce, you know, guys. I don't know when they're supposed to pick these lettuce. My callaloo, 1 and 2 callaloo. So when am I supposed to start reaping lettuce? I think this is not a callaloo. No, this is not callaloo. So I have 1 and 2 callaloo, guys. And guys, look at the pop choy. So much seed. I didn't know when them grew up just small I was supposed to pick them quick, and now I get so much seed. Tons of pop choy seed. And look at this, guys, nice head and that's a nice what's up name? Kale. So that's another kale, guys. So I get a lot of kale this time. Look under the leaf to make sure there is no worm. This one have another white thing. I'm not sure what that white thing is. Here, this, I don't know what this is, so I'm gonna take it out. Show them my ground. Guys, look at the lettuce. I think some of these lettuce need to move to a bigger spot. Too much lettuce is in this right here. So I think I need to take out some. My cucumber or my watermelon or whatever it is. Yeah. Oh, guys, look over here, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. See? All these lettuce. So somebody need to tell me when to start reap these lettuce. My mother, if you're watching, tell me when I should start reaping these lettuce. Them ready to eat? Yeah. So maybe I should just pick off the leaf them. I don't know how you reap these. Do you cut them out or you just pick off the leaf, guys? Because I still need to leave something to grow. Guys, look. These white stuff. I don't know what this is. This white stuff. Look. I don't know what it is. See some white thing underneath it. It would look like eggs. Something with eggs. I don't know. I'm going to pick them off and rub them out. You know what? I'm going to come tomorrow. I'm going to reap these. Because I don't want this thing, whatever it is, taking up. Look at the size. Guys, something biting up these. So you can't tell there's no pesticide on them, you know. Because if something biting them. Look at that, guys. That's a huge one. This is 2 kale, you know. 2 kale. So what I'm going to do, cut out the middle part tomorrow and leave the root part. Look at this. Guys, look. It have the same white top thing over here. I'm gonna pick them off. I don't know what this is. See, guys, with this thing with the eggs. Guys, my nail get dirty because I'm weeding up the grass. Guys, if you ever saw I weed up over the other side. See, this one have the white whatever this is. But I'll cut them off tomorrow when I pick them. So this is my garden, guys. My raised bed. I have a lot of thing going on in here. Right here, my bucket, as I showed before, that I'm planting stuff. So guys, over here I have my potato and my, look at my blueberry, tomato. What is this? Oh, I don't know what is in this bucket, guys, but it's running and wrapping around the tomato tree. I don't know if these are cucumber, you know, guys. I think they are cucumber. I'm gonna have to find stick for them to run on. Yeah, so you know, look at my callaloo bed. The callaloo, they're moving so slow. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, guys, look at the head. No, see, look at this. You see this? And look at this. When I weed the leaf, this soil go on this. Guys, when do I cut these stuff? Mother, if you are watching this video, please tell me when to cut these veggies. What is this? I don't know what it is, so I'm pulling it out. Somebody help, mother. Send me a message and tell me when you think I should cut them. See, I have, as I said, my spinach, not Caribbean spinach. I want back some of the spinach seed from Jamaica, you know. So next time I know not to eat everything but save some to get seed. I didn't do that the last time, and so I don't have any seed from the Jamaica spinach. I love the Jamaican spinach. When you mix it with callaloo or when you juice it. Look at this nice one. Let me make sure there is nothing under there. Guys, you know I'm gonna come around here and harvest these, so I soon can eat. If somebody could tell me when to start harvest. I know I can harvest the kale, but I don't know when to harvest the lettuce. So I'm like, I don't want to cut all this lettuce one time. So I'm gonna harvest it and make a nice salad for my husband and myself to say thank you for making my raised bed. Yes guys, my husband made me this nice raised bed, so I can plant my stuff. Guys, I should have planted some of these over there, so you know, over that bed, because I think wherever you see these flowers, what the name again, I don't know, stinking Mary, stinking something, I don't know, they call them back home. If I did plant some over here, whatever eating up these stuff wouldn't be here. See, over here too, they eating up. See right here, this have the white leaf just the same, but when I pick them to one of them day here, I'm gonna make sure that I cut off those parts. And guys, look at this raspberry tree, huge raspberry tree. Guys, I need a couple pots. Well, I take out this tomato. We don't need no extra tomato, newborn tomato. Yeah, too much tomato guys, too much tomato. So I'm gonna just come and harvest. So guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share. Welcome to Yard Abroad with Erica Backyard Garden. Alright guys, if you see this video, comment, subscribe and share guys. Like up the video. So I don't only cook, but in the summertime, yes, in the summertime I do backyard garden. Yep. And every year I harvest something. I get something. This year I think I'm getting more than I got before. I just waiting to harvest to reap my potato them. Guys, yes. So that's it with the backyard garden. So right here guys, here I plant some of the lettuce. Yeah, I plant some of the lettuce in this bucket. So I do bucket garden. Garden in the bucket. Alright guys, take care of yourself until next time. Okay guys, so if you did enjoy that video, please subscribe, comment, like and share. Yes guys, it's night time. It's night just falling. So I'm just outside as I was showing you my garden, my backyard garden, that I not only cook and babysit, but I also keep backyard garden. So if you like this video, please like it, subscribe and like up the video man, and help me grow the channel and help me grow the page guys. Take care of yourself until next time.